Want to change your profile picture in Dola AI? Yeah, maybe you updated your photo or just want a more professional look. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to update your profile picture step by step. First, open Dola AI on your phone or computer, then tap or click your profile icon. It's usually in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Profile, Account, or Settings. This opens the page where your personal information is stored. Now look for your current profile photo or the blank avatar icon. Tap or click on it. This will open the upload option. Choose a new picture from your device. Pick a clear image that represents you well, especially if you use Dola AI for work or collaboration. If Dola AI shows a crop or adjustment tool, position the image the way you want it, then press Save or Confirm. After saving, your new profile picture should appear instantly. Check your profile and chats to make sure the update worked. If the photo doesn't change, refresh the page or reopen the app. You can also try uploading a smaller image or switching to JPG or PNG format. And that's it. Open your profile settings, click your photo, upload a new image, adjust it, and save. In just a minute, your Dola AI profile will look exactly how you want.